Right, this is SLB. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the full name of that company, but looking for a long entry on this one. It's another nyse stock, New York Stock Exchange. Alright, going along here. Alright, we just got filled out at 44,000 shares at 70.44 on SLB. That started a nice little run up there. Watching PRFT in nasdaq stock. Had a big run up right at the market open. It's been taking a little bit of a breather there. Looking for a possible long entry on this one. Market on the old turn round, did start by going down a bit this morning, but the market's now on the way up. That's it, I'm taking a long here. Got filled there, 2147,000 shares. That's on PRFT. Just back here on SLB, if you remember on this one, I got in at 70.44, which was down here somewhere. This has had a massive run up. I wasn't actually watching the chart at the time. I was off trading something else. Just come back here. What I'm going to do is jumping around all over the place. I'm jumping out off at this point here just to get some money on the table on that one. Get some money in the bank. So that's just given us a quick profit there, $175 on that one. That means I can now loosen off my stop on that, because obviously there's a massive volume going through on here. This sometimes happens on nyse stocks. So as I say, just took off half there, got filled there, as you can see, 70.79. So what was that? Just about 35 cents, something like that. So that gives me a bit of room to ease my stop off there and ride this one out and see where we get on the rest of this. Back on this SLB again, as you can see, this having a big run up here. Still lots of volume going through here. I'm actually looking to get out the rest of my position up here. I don't know how much further this is going to go. Nobody knows how much further it's going to go. Market on the old is actually down. This is looking like it's closing the gap now from yesterday. So I'm getting out the rest of my position there. Just got a fill there at 70.98. Which is a profit of 270 on that, plus the 175 from the first half. Let's jump back down again now. We're around the old number, we're closing the gap on that, so I don't mind leaving a bit on the table if it's going to go a bit further up. I've got some money in the bank, and that's what matters at the end of the day. It's not what you could have had, it's what you actually got that counts. Just back here on PRFT, if you remember, I got into this one, my entry was 21.47. Did get in a little bit early on this one, but it's just had a nice little run up there. So looking to take half of this off, because when you get a big sudden run like that, very often that will retrace quite quick. So we're long here from 47. Gonna take half off around now. Alright, just got filled there, 21.75. So that's just given us a quick profit of $140 on that one. That means I can loosen my stop off on that one, let the rest of that run a little bit further. Takes off a bit of pressure on that, and as I say, gives me a bit more room to play with my stop on that one. So I'll come back to this chart when I've got something else to show you on here. Back here at PRFT, this a little bit of a retracement, run back up again. Looking to take an exit here, get out of the last half. Still long here from my original entry at 21.47, which was down here. Going to get a bit of trouble here with the whole number, that's always the case. And it's just got 11 o'clock as well, which is pretty much my finishing up time. Had some good trades today. There's been a lot of activity going on. Very bad day to be a futures trader, very nice day to be a stock trader, I have to say. Stuff popping up and down all over the place, really. When often happens when the futures market's flat is that futures don't get to influence stocks too much, and they do their own thing, so you get stuff going up and down, left, right and centre. So good day to be trading, as I say. Now just looking to get out of here and finish up this one for the day. No real reason to get out of this, as I say, other than the fact that it's going to stumble around this whole number. It's gone 11 o'clock, pretty much time to finish up and go and do something else for the rest of the day. This has really stalled now. There's no trades going through on the time and sale, so I'm just going to sell my last 500 here. orders pending there. See, someone, there we go, just got filled out, 21.96 on that one. So just to recap on what we had today, the two what I recorded for you, we had SLB there, went long at 70.44, got out half of that position at 70.79 and the other half at 70.98. PRFT there, went long at 21.47, took half off of that one at 21.75 and took the other half off at 21.96, which if we have a look on the history there, that shows SLB got $175 profit on the first half, 270 on the second half, 140 on the first half PRFT and 245 on the second half, for a total of $830 profit on those two trades. Lots of other trades that unfortunately I didn't get time to recall for you today because it's just been such a busy day on the market. Very bad day to be a futures trader. Futures all been stuck in a quite a tight range all day really. Got a bit of movement with the news at 10 o'clock, but nothing really tradable there. But excellent day to be a stock trader, as very often happens when the futures are flat. Stocks are left to their own devices, they're not getting too influenced by what futures market's doing. So got a nice mixed bag of stocks going up and down. Had a lot of trades popping off all over the place this morning, so it's been a pretty busy morning. So sorry I didn't get to record more of them for you, but those two hopefully will have given you something interesting to have a look at anyway.